Hello everyone, welcome back. In last video we see about Swagger, its uses and how to create it, introduction to Swagger, etc. So if we want to create a Swagger file, we need to learn either JSON or YAML file. So we all know about JSON files, right? So JSON file is a text-based human readable format used for storing structured data. So YAML script is also a text-based format used for storing structured data, but it is more user-friendly and readable by humans. And it is almost used by everyone in customizing the files and APIs. So in this video, we are going to see how to create YAML script. Before that, I'm going to create a file called data.json. So JSON file will always start and end with braces. So inside the braces, we will define the name and value pairs, which we will refer as key value pairs. So in JSON, keys must be enclosed within the double quotes. For example, now I am going to create a key called book name and give it a value swagger tutorial. So another important thing to notice is in JSON, string representation should be within double quotes. If it is numeric, no need of double quotes. So now I am going to define the price of the book, 140 rupees. And two key value pairs must be separated by comma. So these are the rules for writing the JSON file. Now I'm going to define the boolean value. So is published or not. Here I'm going to give true is published. So see here, boolean values numbers are not enclosed within double quotes, but the string is enclosed in double quotes. Next I'm going to give some tags. So regarding tags, I'm going to give some list of values. So now I'm going to have arrays. So in JSON, arrays should be mentioned like this. So what are the tags I can give? Swagger, API, like that. After that, I'm going to create another key called author. Now I'm getting an error because I forgot to insert comma before. So author has two values. So consider author as an object and it has two values. So once again we are enclosing it within braces. Inside braces I'm going to define what is first name, John, and also last name, Abraham. So this is a simple JSON file. So what are the rules I have followed? It should be enclosed within braces and it must be in key value pairs. So every key must be enclosed within double quotes. Regarding value, if it is a string value, it should be in double quotes. If it is numeric or boolean value, double quotes is not needed. And regarding arrays or list of values, it should be enclosed within brackets, square brackets. So now we are going to convert the same JSON file into YAML file. So for that, I'm going to create a new file called data.yaml. So regarding YAML file, there are two extensions. Either we can choose YML or YAML. So for now, I am going on with YAML. So here I am going to copy the JSON file and paste it here. So every YAML file must start with three dashes. So first include it. Then YAML file somewhat follows the convention of Python. So here we don't need of braces. In Python, everything will be mentioned with indentation. So if we want to specify something is part of another, we will indent that. So similarly in YAML also we will do indentation. So now I am going to remove these braces and then bring all those things back. So the third rule is there is no need of double quotes for the keys. So we can remove all double quotes for the keys. So I am going to search and replace everything. See how simple is this. Then regarding values also, we don't need to give double quotes. So YAML will automatically check whether it is a string or numeric value. So coming to arrays, in YAML we don't give square brackets. Instead we use a dash along with indentation. So I am going to remove this and then indent. After indentation, I am just giving a dash and list the array elements or list elements. So swagger. Next is API. So this is the way of defining list of values in YAML file. And also we don't need comma between the key value pairs. So remove that also. So here also for this author object we don't need braces, just indentation is enough. So remove this also. So this is a YAML script for this JSON script. See how simple is this. In YAML, we don't need any double quotes for the keys. So for values also, we don't need any double quotes, and it is very easy to write and readable, right? So in this way, we need to define the YAML script. So what you need to remember regarding YAML script is uh, keys are not enclosed within double quotes. There is no comma between key value pairs. So for arrays, we can use dashes and list the values, and more importantly here we use indentation, not braces. So I hope you got some idea regarding data and the YAML script. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.